Hello everyone, this is a tutorial video on how to register on AcadaBoo. You go to your Play Store and type in AcadaBoo. Once it opens, click install. When the app installs successfully, you click open. Once the app opens, you can sign up as a student, mentor or a donor. On this page, click create account and kindly choose the option that best describes you. Let's register as an undergraduate. On this page, you fill in the necessary details, your first name, last name and your email address, and then click next. Once you click next, it takes you to the next page where you have to create a password. Create a password, confirm your password and click next. It takes you to a next page where you have to confirm your email address. Once you've confirmed your email address, you fill in your details and log in. Once you log in, you are good to go. To register using the web, go to your browser and type in www.acadaboo.com. When it opens, scroll through and click on the sign up button. On the next page, scroll down and select your account type. Let's register as a Jambite. Fill in the necessary details, your first name, last name and every other details, confirm your password, confirm you are not a robot and create account. After successfully creating an account, you can now fully enjoy all the AcadaBoo features.